order is going to come in this nice little gingham pouch. And it has a new label. It has Queen Bee Body Butter, Farm to Bath, and of course, certified New Mexico True on the back. So I'm going to show you how I use the body butter. I like to use it as a face cream night and day, so I don't use the scented one. I use unscented so I don't break out. And I actually learned this trick from Christy Brinkley on like an interview she did. So I like to wet my skin a little bit, not super wet, just kind of moisturize with water. And then what this does is when you put the body butter, the beeswax really locks in the water that you just put on your face, plus the shea butter and the coconut oil.